Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's time for another backlog build and review. Let's get the Wheel of Destiny up on the screen and see what we're going to be working on today. Alright, looks like we're going to be building the semi-flatbed truck with helicopter from Lego. This is a cool 3-in-1 set, so stick around and see how it turns out. I'm Mighty Joe and you're watching. Hello again everyone. Welcome back to another clicktastic episode of Brick by Brick with Mighty Joe. As the Wheel of Destiny has predicted, today we are going to be working on this Lego 3-in-1 set, which is the semi-flatbed with helicopter. This is a cool little 3-in-1 that makes 6 different vehicles, and we're going to build them all and show them to you today. Let's take a closer look, shall we? The Lego 3-in-1 flatbed truck with helicopter is set number 31146, contains 270 pieces, and is rated for ages 7 and up. Here you see a picture of the flatbed trailer with the helicopter on it, but it also can make these different vehicles here. You've got a little airplane with a little utility truck, and then you've got a little SUV with a little dune buggy. These are going to be really cool to build and show you guys. What I'll do is I'll build each set, do a quick review of them, and then finish it up. Let's get it opened up and see what comes in the set. All right. Now taking a look here, all of these pieces are used for all of the models. So we've got this bag here, this bag here, this bag here, and then we've got our 3 different model pamphlets. So here you see we've got the SUV and the dune buggy. Clear instructions. This is rated for ages 7 and up, so it's not going to be difficult to build. Here we have the little utility truck or gas truck with an airplane. And then finally, this is what I'm going to leave the set as, and that is the flatbed truck with the helicopter. So there's the pieces. Let's get these things snapped together and do a quick review of each set of the Lego flatbed truck with helicopter. Are you ready? Let's go! All right, so here is our first set of vehicles in this 3-in-1 set. We've got this lovely little airplane, really cool looking little build. Real simple, real sweet. Pretty detailed for what it is. Very nice. All right, and then we've got the utility truck, and I was correct, it is a utility truck because if you look at it, you can see that it's got this spout on the back, so it looks like one of those trucks that sprays brine on the street when the roads get icy. Really cool the way they make all of these different sets out of the same pieces. I think the 3-in-1 sets the creator sets are really, really cool. So that is a cool looking little truck there. All right, we'll go ahead and get these two disassembled and make our next couple of sets of vehicles. All right, so here is the second set of vehicles you can build with this 3-in-1 Creator flatbed truck with helicopter set. This is the little SUV. This one is really cute. There he is. He's got a little spoiler. Little grill action. Seems a little unfinished up here, but still a really cool looking little build. That is the SUV. And then we've got this really sweet looking hot rod. And you can see it's got its little exhaust pipe at the bottom, and then it's got some more exhaust pipes coming out of the engine. Really cool with the big wheels on the back, small wheels on the front. Little blower motor in the front there. And then the orange tail lights. Cute looking build. All right, all that's left is the helicopter and the flatbed semi-truck. Let's go. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen, the final build in the 3-in-1 build for the flatbed truck with helicopter. Let's go ahead and take a look at the helicopter first. Just comes right off the trailer. And you can see right here that it is a quaint little build. Got the propeller that flips around. And then it's got the rear propeller as well. Cool looking little build. I like the frosted windshield that's clear on the sides. Really neat looking little helicopter. And then the semi-truck with trailer. Really awesome, you guys. Cool looking little build. The detail on it is pretty good for the little amount of pieces that you have. And then you've got these caution lights in the back for the wide load and the tail lights. And then, as I said, the helicopter just sits right there on the trailer. And now to decide which one I want to keep, or do I buy another set so I can make multiples? I really like the little hot rod. All right, let's wrap this up. Okay, folks, that's going to do it for this build and review of the Creator 3-in-1 flatbed truck with helicopter from Lego. It says 3-in-1, but it's really more of a 6-in-1, wouldn't you say? If you enjoyed this build and review, do me a favor and smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done it. Share it with your friends and drop a comment down below. Do you enjoy doing 3-in-1 sets? Have you built any? Which ones have you built? Let me know. And also, if you'd like to pick up your own 3-in-1 Creator set, I'll go ahead and put some affiliate links down in the description below for this product, as well as all of my other affiliate links for other brands and products. So you can peruse and use those links to purchase items. That'll help out the channel a little bit. And until next time, take care of yourselves. And just remember, when life starts getting you down, just take it brick by brick. See ya.